Hi, I'm Dikshita. Come learn with me at Hint2mint.
Active versus passive investing. Ever wondered what will be more confusing than the active and passive voice that we studied in school? The different paths to investing are definitely more confusing than those active and passive voice rules. Imagine you are planning to go on a road trip to a particular destination. You have two options to arrive at your destination. First, you can follow the Google Map directions to reach your destination, the obvious route. In this option, you will just have to follow the directions on the map and reach your destination in a straightforward, cheap way and within your time horizon. Second way is more active than the first one. Here you try to be little adventurous and search for different routes so that you can arrive at the particular destination in less time. There is a possibility that while searching for different paths, you may turn lucky and be able to find a more beautiful destination than your earlier destination, but there are chances that you may lose your track and get lost in a jungle and may never be able to find your destination. This option may cost you more. These two options to the road trip represent two types of paths you may follow while investing your saved money. Passive and active investing. The difference between passive and active investing is similar to the difference between two options that you may choose for your road trip. In passive investing, you try to match and replicate the market. That is, a passive investor always holds every security of the market which represent the same manner as in the market. For example, exchange traded funds or index funds that track the underlying index. Passive involves following a fixed path or fixed strategy that requires a minimum involvement, just like following the Google Map directions and reaching the destination without any hassle. Whereas an active, as the name suggests, it is not about being passive. You try to beat the market to earn above average rewards and follow an active strategy. An active investor doesn't buy all the securities in the market. On the contrary, he only buys the ones that he finds inviting on the basis of his knowledge, research, etc., and this research can be affected by a lot of activities in the market. Hence, there is relatively frequent buying and selling than limited buying and selling in passive investing. Due to a lot of research involved in active investing, it is more expensive, risky, and time-consuming than passive investing. So as an investor, if you don't understand the market, you are possibly confused where to invest and have some time horizons, you may follow the passive investing strategy. Considering this, if you have no time horizons and can invest your money in researching and analyzing the market to find attractive securities that you think might give you higher returns than the average market returns, you may go for active investing strategy. At the end, whichever strategy you choose would depend upon your needs, goals, and risk tolerance. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share it. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive video updates.